Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you want to add a PayPal button to your Google Sites, then this video is for you. First, you just need to open your this website elfsite.com, and from here you will find the widgets here. So you just need to hover over that widgets, and in e-commerce section you will find PayPal button. Here it is right there. Now you just need to click a single on this PayPal button here. Now create widgets for free here. After that, it will just load a little bit, and you will find this section where you can just choose the template of that PayPal button. You can just choose any one of these that suits your website. So I'm going to get this widgets here, so tap on continue with this template, and from here you can just edit or customize or make your PayPal button responsive. Like seller PayPal email, you can enter your PayPal account email address here. Then the checkout or donation or subscription, you can choose one of them. If you want to add this PayPal button for a checkout for any product, then you can enter the product name, then the localization and the currency here, price and USD. You can just set the price here, like I'm going to set it for like this, and shipping price also like this, and text type none or percentage are fixed. You can set it here. Now redirect URL, if you have any specific checkout page, then you can just enter that redirect the URL of that checkout page here. Then after that you can add a donation. If you are collecting donation from your web page or Google Sites, then you can go with this donation here. Or you can use the subscription here. If you're selling any product that based on subscription, then you can just set the subscription amount, the pricing amount, the shipping amount, and the location, USD, and the billing interval here for monthly or daily, weekly, yearly, or custom. You can just set it each button for each subscription here. Now I'm going to get this checkout button here. Now tap on add to web page for free. Now you can see saving your widgets, and it's saving my widgets here. So here it is. Now you just need to tap on this publish, or you can just customize it a little bit, that pay with PayPal or like anything. You can change the style also here. You can change the color, anything. You can just customize it, like you can add like this or this. So I'm going to get this round shape here. Now tap on publish. After that you can just go with the subscription, or you can just go with the free version here. So I'm going to get this um, free subscription here, so I can get this code here that I can embed it to my Google Sites. So can tap on copy code, and then go to your Google Sites and tap on embed. Now but first you have to select a place where you want to place it, like this. I'm going to replace this buy button here, so I'm going to I'm going to delete it here. Now I'm going to paste embed it here, so by URL or embedded code. So I'm going to paste that embed code here. Now tap on next, and you will get a preview from here. So it is loading the preview. Here it is, you can see. Now tap on insert, and here it has just inserted. So I'm going to paste it like here, and I'm going to just decrease the size a little bit, yeah, just like this. And I'm going to get this like this. Yes, it's just added, and I'm going to yes, just like this. You can just place it like this, and someone who wants to buy this earbuds from my sites, they can just tap on this pay with PayPal, and they can easily pay the amount with their PayPal account. So that's how. Don't forget to tap on publish, and you can just test your website by tap on this drop down button, and you can just view the publish site to test that if this button is placed successfully or not. So that's how you can just easily get a PayPal button on your Google Sites. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.